so to start, we're going to do a superset. A superset is 2 exercises done back to back with no rest between them. We're going to do bird dogs and fire hydrants. This helps work the glutes, the abdominals, our core muscles, our back area. The way that you do this, hands and knees, opposite hand to leg extension. So right hand is out, left leg is out. Bring it back, left goes out, right leg goes out. And we alternate back and forth. This is a bird dog. And we're going to do 25 on each. Okay? Then, immediately after, without a rest, we're going to do the fire hydrant. Fire hydrant is just like the way it sounds. Leg up, leg up. Again, 25 on each leg. Okay? So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. Fire hydrants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 25.